things that I should be thinking about?
Coverage.
Coverage
Yeah,
and reception.
Number one, because if you don't have that, you don't have a cell phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So coverage, is reception and coverage the same thing?
Yeah.
It is. Okay.
Well, reception,
Well, a little, yeah. It's
reception and coverage can be, I mean, you can be in an area where you in fact get the call, but the reception is not good.
Right.
Or you're in an area where you can get the reception and then suddenly the coverage, then your call is dropped.
Thinking about registering, signing up, all the way to studying, actually taking the test, getting your scores back. If you could kind of describe that experience, your perceptions of that in 1 or 2 words, what would you say?
Easy.
Adrian, easy?
Yeah.
Why do you say easy?
Well, because you just get on the website, and since I do like the computer one, they have like a lot of dates that are available, and then my mom just gives them their credit card number, and then when I go there, they just check me in when I go in the room.
So pretty smooth process overall.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone else?
I called the
Kristen?
testing center at IU and just did it over the phone. It was very easy.
Okay. Your overall perceptions of it, pretty easy?
Really
Went smoothly, even taking the test itself, getting your scores, everything like that? Okay.
So are they struggling any differently than any of the others?
Probably not. I wouldn't say so.
Okay. So the struggling is more on the financial side?
Or on the financial side, but technically competent.
We got the new players, newcomers in the market, and they got a large impact on us. They try to get our customers away from us.
What advantages does having it come from a company bring to you as a consumer?
Oh, wow! I expect, the to be backed up by the service and reliability.
Would you still have your computer? Would you just have the iPad?
No, I would have both because I still create content with my laptop, but then I can be in any room or in the park or somewhere else. I don't like to drag my laptop around, and this would be so much easier to throw in a bag.
Have you seen any advertising on these sites?
Yeah.
What types?
It's gotten to the point where we're Googleified enough that you just tune out the advertising, so I don't know. I imagine it's probably somewhat tailored to what I'm looking up, as AdSense is, but otherwise.
Finish the statement. When I'm in pain, I'm blank. What would you say?
Well, that's a hard question to answer, just because I'm 3 years into it now. I mean, if you had asked me a year into it, the answer would have been different than now. I mean, me being only 35, and quite honestly, I was at the pinnacle of my career when this happened. To me, my pain took my life away.
Are you aware that the content changes, that it refreshes, that some things are only on for a certain period of time, and then it goes off and it's replaced with other content, other movies and other programs?
I'm aware, but sometimes I'm a little off track on the duration.
Okay.
I'm not a little caught off guard.
Right, but you know that it changes up. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a little bit of both. It's bad if you don't get to catch it, and it's good if something new's in there.
Something new gets added. Okay, good.
If I invited you in to see my data center, and you saw the company, the power units that I had by this company, what would you think about me?
I think you got more money than I do.
Why is this expensive?
Well, no, but I'm assuming that if you were running the latest technology in surge protection and in power supply, then I would assume that you have more money than I do, because...
Is this the latest? Does it say that this is the latest?
That would be my guess at this point.
Is this cutting edge?
Yes. Given the way that they're marketing it, yes.
I just handed out an order form. On the top of the order form, it says A, first choice of starter kit. What I'd like you to do, each package up there, you might not see it from where you're sitting, but each one has a label on it, a letter.
Okay.
I'd like you to write the letter of your first choice. Underneath that, it says, why do you like this starter kit? I'd like you to just jot down a sentence or two why you selected that particular phone. Do you ever watch Apprentice? Show Apprentice? This is Company A, and this is Company B, 2 companies. What I did is I just turned over a stack of I think there's about 10 different ideas in there, characteristics of a company that provides precision air conditioning as well as power conditioning for IT networks. I'd like you to assume that you're a company right now and you're all the IT folks, and you're a company and you're all the IT folks. I'd like you to take the next 5 minutes, go through each one of these statements, and pull out the statement and then put them in one of two piles. Either this is a critical attribute that I would like the power and air conditioning vendor that I'm working with to have. And the second pile is, this is a good idea, and it's an important idea, but it's not as critical